When we're delivering TV adverts at Little Orchard, we typically have to zip those files in order to send them last minute after a couple of corrections by the client. And that concerns me. Okay, the zipping is fine, it's been tested, but I don't like overly compressing things if I don't have to. Now with NorthernNet, I'm able to send the raw file, as I know it's pure and perfect, to the broadcaster. That just gives me a much better feeling that I'm delivering the quality of product that I want to for my client. Now with NorthernNet, we're able to deliver that. We're able to upload things in minutes rather than hours. So that's going to allow us to give a better service to our clients. And a better service means clients come back to us more often.
We can figure out a way of working in partnership not only with places like the Tyneside Cinema where we're based now, but also Corner House, Fact, Showroom in Sheffield, other venues as well, so that the festival could have a wider reach.
I think it's important to speed things up. In today's market, people want things yesterday. The NorthernNet will benefit Corona Films as a business because we can offer the service that we can download and transfer files very quickly and very securely as well, which opens up a whole new world of clients to us. Because we've got clients all over the country, but also we're looking to branch out, and we've got some contacts in the States and Australia as well. So it's a real plus point. If they've got the same system anywhere in the world, it saves so much time.
We often collaborate with mainly with animators. So that also means sending files over, them sending files over to us. Animations, as you know, are quite large files. So that would mean making our collaboration with them a lot quicker. It would mean that we would have a lot faster turnaround time of our workflow. Our workflow would be quicker, clients would be happier, we'd get a lot of projects finished a lot quicker.
I think that's where it levels the playing field a little bit, where we've been fortunate to have the ability to make the capital expenditure and have the talent available to us to drive that technology as well. I think now it's saying, okay, well, we're going to make this available to people on a pay-as-you-go, hour by hour, day by day rate, and I think that's great because it means we've got to step our game up. Competition's good for us. I think it's very healthy, but yeah, it certainly levels the playing field a little bit.
I think the NorthernNet is interesting actually, because I think that might be actually more interesting in a sense that it can link up so many cities. With its 100 megabyte to a gigabyte capacity in the future, what you've got there is a network that we could actually use an awful lot more of idea. So only one city needs to get Stephen Dawkins, and then every other city can plug straight into it. I think that's really exciting about NorthernNet.
The costing of the MAB is quite competitive and allows me, in busy periods especially, to be able to upload files quickly. Also, when working on productions with very tight deadlines, it is required and it is a necessity to use the MAB, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to get the files to the clients in time. Being able to speed up my workflow means that I can fit more work into the week and have a bit more time to relax potentially as well.
If anything goes wrong in our normal plan, then we've got the backup of being able to send something really quickly. So I think the cost then kind of filters out, and it's not as important really if you've got the backup.
I just see that this system not being something that we're demanding, but something that our clients will demand. It's something that they'll want us to be on a level with them, and we can't do that with our standard internet service provider. For us to get a system like this into our studio, which would be fantastic, it's going to cost us in the region of £50,000. Unless we get a £1 million deal, that's not viable. And it's the chicken and egg situation, that to get that £1 million deal, we need to be at a certain status. And NorthernNet enables us to be at that status straight away with our data transfer, with our communication with clients. It elevates us straight away. And the cost is, it's pennies. It's not even worth thinking about compared to the £50,000 that it would cost us to facilitate our studio in that way.